we have 3 plus 5 minus 8 times 2 all over divided by 2. So 3 plus 5 equals 8 minus 8 and times 2 all over divided by 2. Now 8 minus 8 equals 0 times 2 and all over divided by 2. Now we have 0 times 2 and all over divided by 2. So 0 times 2 equals 0 divided by 2. 0 divided by 2 equals 0. But this is wrong. Why? Because multiplication must be done before addition and subtraction. Right? So addition and subtraction after multiplication. So follow the order of operations. We use PEMDAS rule. So first of all, multiply. So 3 plus 5 minus 8 times 2 equals 16 all over divided by 2. Now addition and subtraction left to right. So 3 plus 5 equals 8 minus 16 all over divided by 2. 8 minus 16 equals minus 8 divided by 2, and minus 8 divided by 2 equals minus 4. Keep the negative sign.